Neurovascular stent retrievers for stroke. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a new technology that's saving lives: neurovascular stent retrievers for strokes. Let's break it down in simple terms. When someone has a stroke, every second counts. Time can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Ischemic stroke. This is the most common type of stroke, caused by a blood clot blocking a blood vessel in the brain. First, let's quickly recap what happens during a stroke. Time is crucial. When blood flow to the brain is interrupted, brain cells start to die within minutes. The faster we can restore blood flow, the better the chances of recovery. To prevent severe brain damage, disability, or even death, it's crucial to restore blood flow as soon as possible. The reason is that a stroke happens when a blood clot blocks the blood flow to the brain, and without blood, brain cells start to die quickly. Doctors have a window of about 2 to 7 hours from the start of a stroke to remove the clot and save brain cells. Previously, medications were used to dissolve these clots, but they didn't always work effectively. That's where the new technology, called neurovascular stent retrievers, comes in. Insertion. A tiny tube called a catheter is inserted through a small cut in the patient's leg. Navigation. This catheter is then carefully guided through the blood vessels, all the way up to the brain where the clot is located. Clot removal. Once it reaches the clot, the stent retriever grabs it and pulls it out, restoring normal blood flow to the brain. This procedure is a game changer because it can quickly and effectively remove the blockage, giving stroke patients a much better chance of recovery. Time is critical in stroke treatment. Neurovascular stent retrievers are a new technology to remove brain clots fast. A catheter is threaded from the leg to the brain to remove the clot and restore blood flow. This technology is saving lives and helping stroke patients recover with fewer complications. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and healthy. Breakthrough stroke treatments, neurovascular stent retrievers and neural stem cells. Faster recovery with stent retrievers. The promise of neural stem cells. For those who have already suffered a stroke, there's more hope on the horizon with neural stem cells. These are special cells that can help repair and regenerate damaged brain tissue. Here's what you need to know. Neural stem cells. These cells have the potential to develop into different types of brain cells and can help replace the ones that were damaged during a stroke. Improved recovery. By using these cells, doctors can potentially enhance the brain's ability to heal itself, leading to better recovery outcomes for stroke survivors. Global availability and approval. The great news is that these neurovascular stent retrievers were recently approved for use and should be available in stroke units around the world by the third quarter of 2019. This means that more patients globally will have access to this life-saving technology. Neural stem cells offer new hope for repairing brain damage in stroke survivors. Global access. Stent retrievers are becoming widely available, making advanced stroke treatment accessible to more people. These breakthroughs are revolutionizing stroke treatment and offering new hope for patients everywhere. If you found this information useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on medical advancements. Stay informed and stay healthy.